how to clean it. There are two methods to create skeins similar to this skein weighing approximately 100 grams. It is advisable to first make a small skein weighing around 40–50 grams as a test sample. This is important because if the ties are not properly done, the yarn may become tangled, resulting in the need to discard the entire skein. Therefore, it is recommended to initially create a small skein, especially if you lack experience. The ties should be made in a braided figure-8 pattern, specifically a double figure-8. The 100-gram skein should be washed, following the aforementioned washing instructions, after which you can work directly with the yarn without the need for re-washing. Keep in mind that only the initial washing should be done in the washing machine, while all subsequent washes should be done by hand. Remember, it is crucial to be cautious and follow these steps to ensure optimal results.